Alright, this is an overall view of the project. The lighter green areas is all of the fill site work we need to do. You can see where the existing site is now, a little clearer hopefully. So what I did is I created a little bit of an impression in the existing site right here. We've added a catch basin there, so the flow from the ditch will come down and collect in this depression here, and then it will be piped from there to this outlet. So what we would do is just grade that outlet pipe to the forebay, grade it back into the hill at a nice gentle slope so it kind of blends in with the surrounding area. Hopefully this is a little bit better view of the proposed grading too. You can see we just got a gentle slope in the backyard coming down, and then at the end of the backyard we've gently tied into the existing site. So yeah, that's kind of a general aerial overview. Of course, you'll have access to the model as well. Okay, so I also wanted to give you a kind of a first-person view of the project. If we look over here, I'll take you over to the ditch, looking at the ditch from the road. So that's kind of what you're looking at with the driveway in relation to the ditch. So we would just feather it in along the top of the ditch here, leave it as is. Doesn't seem like it would impact the yard too much. You got a pretty good size front yard over this way as well. So we'll just take a walk around the property here. There's the pond, there's your outlet structure down here, and the house. And right here you can't see the top of the drop inlet, but that's the inlet at the end of the ditch, and it'll get piped here as well. Keep in mind too that the edges on this model are a little bit sharper than well, actually a lot sharper than they're going to be when the contractor's done. That's just because it's a computer model and it's a little bit tough for the model to smooth everything out the way a contractor would. So here we're standing at the end of the backyard. And look back this way. It's the back of the house, back porch. We'll turn around and look at the pond. The imaging for the pond got a little bit distorted with that severe elevation change, but it gives you kind of an idea of what the topography around the pond is going to look like from the yard. So those were the major things I wanted to just point out, and that's about it.